Big stuff. G'day fun seekers, Ranger Rod here again. We're out here today at Purlingbrook Falls, which is part of the Springbrook National Park up in the hinterland of the Gold Coast. And I'll tell you what, if you ever do a trip to the Goldie, the theme parks are one thing, but I'll tell you what, this natural beauty is one of the best waterfalls you've ever seen in your life. We're here today with a nice blue sky, and there's even a rainbow at the bottom. Check out this ripper. This is just amazing. I'll tell you what, stunning spot, great day for a swim. Not sure we'll get in there today, it's a little bit chilly, but wow, what a piece of scenery that is. One of the Gold Coast's hidden attractions. You've got to do a bit of a walk down here, it's quite steep, and probably takes you about 2 hours by the time you get back to the top, but I'll tell you what, absolutely worth every step. Just stunning, this place. Fun seekers, fair dinkum. This place is going to be one of the most stunning spots I've ever been to in Australia. Do yourself a favour, southeast Queensland, Springbrook National Park. Forget the theme parks, mate, get up here, Purlingbrook Falls, and then continue on. The walk goes from the falls, probably for another half an hour, down a track, and it gets you to this spot, which is called Warringah Pools. And seriously, have a look at this. Hey? I mean, how can you not jump off the rocks into that pool? Water's clear enough, and mate, I don't care how cold it is. Old Ranger Rod's getting in. Check this out. That's it, peeps. Hope you've enjoyed this episode of Ranger Rod's Adventures. Don't forget, if you ever come to the Gold Coast, Springbrook National Park, Purlingbrook Falls, put that on your list. I'll tell you what, and then don't just go to the main falls, keep walking down to this one, Warringah Pools. And you can spend hours here. Bring a pair of bathers, a water bottle, a little bit of food. It's a couple of hours walk, and I'll sign off now that I'm at the bottom, so you don't have to see the huffing and puffing going back up the hill. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, peeps.